In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in Card. We'll start by opening Card in your browser. From the home page, click Open Dashboard. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your sites. In the dashboard, pick the project where you want to add a button. This opens the editor, which shows your page on the canvas with a settings panel on the side. Inside the editor, look for the Add button. Click it, then choose Buttons. Card will automatically drop a new button onto your canvas. You'll see it appear in your workspace, and the panel on the side will show its settings. That panel is where you'll control the button's text, link, and design. To see all the options, expand the button section in the side panel by clicking the small arrow next to it. This reveals the editable fields tied to the button you just added. First, edit the label. This is the text that appears on the button. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented, like Get Started, Contact, or Learn More. Make sure it matches what the button actually does so visitors know exactly what to expect. If your design uses title case or all caps for buttons, stick to that style for consistency and readability. Next, edit the URL connected to the button. Paste in the full link if you're sending people to an external page and include the HTTPS prefix. If you're linking elsewhere on the same page, you can use an anchor or section ID, like #contact, so the button scrolls to the right spot. Double check the link to avoid broken clicks. Now adjust the color so it fits your brand and stands out on the page. Choose a background color and text color with good contrast for accessibility. If your page uses a specific palette, pick from those values to keep things cohesive. Consider a slightly darker or lighter hover color to make the button feel interactive and ensure the text remains legible on all states. Finally, click and drag the button to place it where you want on the canvas. Use the alignment guides to center it or line it up with other elements, and give it enough breathing room so it's easy to spot and tap. If you're working inside a container or column, drop the button in that area so it inherits the layout's spacing. That's it. You've added a button, customized the text, set the link, matched the colors, and placed it exactly where it belongs. Nice work.